Hi, welcome to Vanity Vents. Do you want an alternative to these crumbly, dirty styrofoam crawlspace vent inserts that you have been unhappy with forever? By the way, did you know those are not recyclable? Finally, there's a great alternative. Introducing Vanity Vents crawlspace vent insulation blocks. This is a luxury, airtight, 99.9% waterproof, military-grade, no-brainer solution. Your new exterior insulation blocks are tough and durable. They have a 10 to 50-year life depending on the installation environment. And they install in only 3 seconds. No tools required. Yes, I did say airtight. And they work perfectly with our Vanity vent covers. We'd love to have you as a customer. Contact us and let us know how we can help. Click on the button now to get yours.